The birthday list begins with Lawson Schropp. With a smile like that, my goodness, kiddo. A big happy 4th birthday to Lawson in Frontenac. He got a heck of a haircut there, too. Look at that.
Oh, what a cutie.
Yeah, good. That's a good looking haircut, man. Don't ask me why I just sounded like John Gruden right there. That's a good looking haircut there, man.
And up next, we have Kennedy Dooley.
Look at that.
Aww. Kennedy is 4 years old. Looks like she has her arms full. She's in Columbus.
Over the weekend, Anna Bonwit celebrated her 8th birthday. Love the hat, Anna Bon. And I want you to know that, excuse me, Anna Bonwit. And I want you to know these birthday wishes come with love from Mom, Austin, Abby, and Aunt Katie.
And in Erie, Kansas, Keaton Carnall turning 9 years old this year. Happy birthday to you.
In the Berg, Kane C, Purple Dragon Pride, celebrating the big number 14. Happy birthday, Kane.
Wow, already 14 years old. Happy birthday, Kane. And a happy 15th birthday going out to Tyrell Humble.
Roland Miles Whitchurch, he is celebrating his 15th birthday. Roland is in Jasper, and Mr. Whitchurch, I want you to know that this comes with love from Grandma.
All right. In Seneca, Missouri, Tyler Meyer celebrating sweet 16.
We've got a 20th birthday for Charlie Riker. The big 2-0 is celebrated in Columbus, and the nice catch to go with it. Well done, Charlie.
All right, and celebrating birthday number 26, we have Monica Clark in Columbus.
Zach Trim, he also has a 26th birthday. Zach, a very happy birthday to you in Thayer.
And let's see, Parsons, Kansas, turning the big 5-0 this year, John Alloway.
All right, we got a pair of 55s. And there's a reason it's a pair of them. Because it's the Mercer Twins, and we will start with Rex. Rex, I'm not sure if you're the oldest one, but your birthday picture goes first. If not, you can take it up with your brother, Randy. And a happy birthday to both Rex and Randy. Once again, they are turning 55 in Columbus.
All right. And if Rex and Randy. And we've got a 24th anniversary coming up today in Oswego, the Dryleans celebrating 24 years. Tyler and Holly, congratulations.
And this kid, he's part of our extended family. His name is Jagger Wilson, as he celebrates the big number 4. He happens to be the youngest son of our marketing consultant, Zach Wilson. Jagger, I hope you have I bet you're growing up with the same sense of humor that your dad has. And so a very happy birthday to Jagger.
All right, Denise Hodgson celebrating birthday number 69 this year. Denise is in Columbus. Anna Klein turning 74 years old in Crestline and in Pittsburgh.
What up, JJ?
Happy birthday, JJ. JJ Carlinger turning 41 years old.
Wrap it up with Simi Peacock. Simi, a very happy birthday to you, celebrating in Miami. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also do it via our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
You want me to do it?
No.
I'll ad-lib it. You can sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All you have to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com. And once again, we've got Price is Not Fabulous. We've got wonderful offers for you on there. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Take about 30 seconds of your time. So when you submit one, make sure that you can become part of our birthday club as well. Let's transition to our